How to make a graph in Google Sheets. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a graph in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheet where you have the student and marks data. Take a moment to review the information. Now let's create a graph for this data. To do this, click and drag to select all the relevant data points. Once the data is selected, navigate to the Insert menu. From there, click on Chart. A chart will be inserted based on the selected data, typically a bar graph. That's wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe button. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, bye-bye. And I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, bye-bye.